Hello YouTube. In this video, we will be showing you how to use shortcuts on an iPad and iPhone. We will be covering how to make a widget and connect Bluetooth headphones to your device without opening settings, and also how to make Siri speak something that you would like him to say. Without further ado, let's start. Now, over to the man himself to tell you how to do it.
Thank you, Siri. Okay, let's start. So we will start with connecting a Bluetooth device. So you will add a new shortcut and search up Bluetooth, and you will press on Set Bluetooth, and basically it just turns Bluetooth on without you having to go into settings. And then after that, you will search up AirPlay, and then press on Set Playback Destination, which will change where the speakers go to, and you'll press on that and then press on what you want. So we're going to set it to ask each time, but you can set it to a specific audio device if you want. So yeah, let's do that. And actually that's really all you have to do. So we can play it and it will ask choose device, and what basically we will just choose device, and I'm going to set it to iPad right now, but yeah, it will work with whatever Bluetooth device you have. So now we will save it. Okay, so Bluetooth testing. Alright, and now we've done that. Now we will do how to make Siri speak something. So you will add another shortcut and search up text, and then press on that. And now you will type whatever you want him to say. So we'll just do testing 123 or 123. And now we will search up speak and press on speak text. Now this should work, so let's save it. Okay, done. And now we should try it.
Testing 123.
Okay, that worked. Alright, now we will show you how to do a widget. So you can see I have this right here, but if you want to do it from the start, you just hold on anywhere and it will open up this menu. And right at the top left corner, you will see it says plus, and you will press on that, and then you will scroll down to, it will say, let's find it, shortcuts, there it is. And you'll press on that, and you can choose if you want to have one shortcut, 4 shortcuts, or 8 shortcuts. We're going to go with 4 for now. Oops. And then you'll press add widget, and that will go to the bottom. However, you can move it up if you want to, like that. Or you can even make them and put them together into a folder. And yeah, that's how you do it. So thank you for watching, and I'll move you over to how to do it for an iPhone.
Now we will do it on an iPhone.
Okay, so we're going to do Bluetooth first. So you add a new shortcut, add action, search up Bluetooth, set Bluetooth. If you think I'm doing this too fast, then please watch my iPad one. It's basically the same, and that's a lot more slower paced, so please do that. It's early in the video. So now you'll press set playback destination to iPhone, and then change it to ask each time if you want different devices each time, after you search AirPlay. Next, save it as Bluetooth testing, and of course it doesn't have to be a specific name. You can name it whatever you want, just for it to work. So then, and now you will add now you'll be doing text for Siri to speak, so you'll search up text, and then back at Bluetooth. No, not Bluetooth. Speak text. All right, and then you will type in whatever you want. Okay, and save it testing. Alright. Done. Alright, now we can try them out.
Hello YouTube.
Yep, that worked. And now Bluetooth testing. Choose device. Yep, that worked. Worked very nicely actually. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.